Hi, this is Barry from BEazzy. In our previous video, I taught how to make the splash in bulk photo manipulation using PS Touch on Android. In this video, I will show you how to make this cool professional 3D wings logo using BEazzy on Android. I really hope you like it. So now let's get started. Okay guys, the size of this file is 1024 by 1024 pixel for width and height respectively. Here you can change the size as you wish. So on BEazzy, just click on the default button, tap on text tool, edit, and edit your text. I will use W. You can use any alphabet or number of your choice. Okay, now go over to fonts, my fonts, and choose Mono Hipster. Now go over to text size and make the text size bigger and place it in the center like so. Okay, go over to background tool and make the background transparent. Now save it in PNG format. Alright, to get our wings, tap on text tool and go over to fonts, my fonts, and this time choose this font, Wings of Wind. Now just go over to relative position and centralize the wings like so. Save it in PNG format. Now go over to PS Touch and add a new project. Make the image size 1024 by 1024. Now tap on the hand menu, fill and stroke, and fill with any other color apart from white so we can see what we are working on. Tap add layer, photo layer, and add the text from BEazzy folder. Make the size 690 by 690 and hit the check mark. Again, tap on add layer, photo layer, and this time add the wings. Make the size 865 by 865 and move towards the left like so. And hit the check mark. Tap on add layer, empty layer to add an empty layer. Use the backward selection tool and draw a shape like this. This will act like a guide for us later on. Now tap the hand menu, fill and stroke, and fill with another color. Tap outside to remove the selection. Tap the wings layer, use the backward selection tool, and select the wing that's on your right hand side. Tap transform and move it to the right like so. Make sure the top of both wings are on the same level. Tap outside to remove the selection. Tap layer properties and merge down these two layers. Hide the top layer. Now tap the bottom layer and add our texture layer. Tap the logo layer, tap select, select pixel, hide the logo layer, tap the texture layer, tap edit and extract. Tap outside to remove the selection. Hide the bottom layer, tap transform and move the logo towards the center. Now save it in PNG format. Now go to BEazzy and tap on default. Delete the text, we don't need it. Tap background tool, color, choose color, and select white. Tap adjustment tool, vignette, and enable it. Reduce alpha to 30. Tap the shape tool, Tap shapes and choose the pentagon shape. Tap relative size and make it 70% by 70%. Now tap emboss and enable it. Make intensity 50, ambient light 15, specular hardness 100 and bevel 100. Now tap on 3D shape and enable it. Leave the other values the way they are, but make S rotation 50 degrees. Tap shadow and enable it. Make the blur radius 25 and offset Y 15. You can choose black for the shadow color, or use this color from this RGB code. Red 26, green 31, and blue 36. Move the pentagon to the middle like so. Tap inner shadow and enable it. Make blur 20. Now tap on this add button from gallery and choose the wings logo from PS Touch folder. Still on shape 2, tap relative size. Tap emboss and enable it. Make ambient light 85%, specular hardness 100 and bevel 100. Tap 3D shape and enable it. Change depth to 2, darken 65%, S rotation 50 degrees, shadow 5, and specular hardness 50. Tap shadow and enable it. Make blur radius 15, offset X 5, and offset Y 15. Tap inner shadow and enable it. Make blur radius 2, offset X -5, offset Y -15. Choose this gold color. The RGB code is red 255, green 181, and blue 97. Move it like so. Tap a blank space to remove the selection. Tap shapes and change it to circle. Tap relative size and make it 90%. Now tap on the layers icon and move the circle layer to the bottom. Tap shadow and enable it. Make the blur radius 15. Move it properly to fit like so. I think this is awesome, guys. What do you think? Now I'll rotate my phone to portrait mode. I'll just resize the wings like so. I think it's far better now. If you're having difficulties working on a particular layer, here's a tip for you. Let's say you want to work on this particular layer, tap on it and lock the other layers. Okay, let's say you want to work on this one, tap on it and lock the other ones. Now save the project for future use. And save it to gallery. And it will look like this. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll see you on the next one.
Do you see?